Hello everybody, so Blackpool again. So the next hotel we're doing is on Lord Street and it is the White Swallow. So let's go and have a little wander around, shall we? We're going to have a mooch, come on, let's go. So welcome to the White Swallow, the entrance. Okay. Okay guys, so let's have a little look at a room 11 at the White Swallow here on Lord Street. And as you walk into the space, all you got to say is, wow. Stephen and Paul are doing a complete renovation on this hotel, so they're 2/3 of the way through. This is one of the rooms that has been completed, and if every room is going to be at this standard, this is excellent, very, very nice as you come in. So let's just have a little look round. So that looks like it's a big double, isn't it? It may be touching on a king size bed. So very, very nice. The colour is beautiful, the greens, the artwork on the walls. Look at the art. Beautiful. Very, very nice. This really is a credit to the owners. Like I said, they're quite new. I think Steve said they've only been here, I think maybe 6 months, if that, and they're just working their way around the hotel and bringing every room to this beautiful standard. So to come in, we have a large mirror there. So hello everybody, how are we doing? Let's have a look. Very nice table, dressing table area there with your lights, the makeup lights, the magnifying lights, where we don't go too close to them. Tissues, hanging area, so great. You've got 10 hangers on there with your fan. Again, perfect. Lots and lots of hotels are doing that now. You don't see wardrobes as often. You'll see more of that sort of look. And then look at the TV, beautiful. That is, I don't know, that's 44, 46-inch TV. Beautiful flat screen TV on the wall there. And then we've got a little area there to sit and have a drink. Two very, very nice chairs. So let's have a little seat on those. Yep, they're comfy, they're nice, and we're looking onto Lord Street. So it is that this room is beautiful. We are finding some very, very nice places. Chadbury we loved. This is also very, very nice. So again, a lovely piece of art on the wall there, and then we've got the facilities. So you've got your tea, your coffee, your hot chocolate, selections of teas. Look at all the different Tetleys there, the Earl Grey, the herbal teas, beautiful, very, very nice. Kettle is immaculate, very clean, no problem at all with that. And you've got your water as well. We've got plug sockets down the side there, so we've got 2 plug sockets on that side of the bed. We've got a couple on the other. But yeah, guys, just look at the bed. We're not actually staying in this room, so I'm not going to do the bed test on this room, because obviously these guests, it's all prepared, ready for guests arriving. But it's just, I'm blown away with it. I think the room is beautiful, and as I said before, it's an absolute credit to Steve and Paul, and we just had a nice chat with Steve when we came, and again we just introduced ourselves and let him know that we do vlogging, that we're YouTubers. Very, very nice, no issue at all. And again he said, yeah, just come and have a little look at this room, so we can see the different types of rooms they've got, and what the vision is, where all the rooms are going to be of this standard. So we will have a look at the room we're staying in. We will do a little vlog round that. So there is your room 11 here at the White Swallow. So let's just before we go, have a little look at the bathroom. Lovely plant as well, little plant in the corner there. But let's have a little look at the bathroom. So the bathroom smells fresh, clean. Toilet's been all sanitised, ready to go. So again, because it's waiting for guests to arrive, I'm not going to touch that, but I'm certain that will be absolutely spotless. The basin, tidy, very clean. Little mirror above there. Hello everybody, how are we doing? The only down thing here, everything is spot on. PJ doesn't like those little soaps. I do like to see a liquid soap, but crikey, if that's the only thing that I can find in this hotel, then there's a lot to be said, isn't there? Shower area in white, grout. Yeah, very, very clean, no issues at all with that. So yes, all in all, what a lovely, lovely room. I think I've said before, the only problem we've been shown at these other rooms is like, oh, I wish we were staying in that one. But the room is toasty as well. That radiator's on. It's cool outside. You come in, it's very warm, very nice, very cozy. So there we go. Room 11, beautiful, absolute credit. So let's go and have a little look at the room where we're staying. Okay guys, so let's have a look at room 21 where we're staying. Now we're just in that beautiful room downstairs. This is just a standard double. Obviously when we booked, I think we were pretty, they were fully booked. This was the only room available when we came to book it. So that's why we've got this room. So let's have a little look. So, hello Linny, Linny's sat there.
Hello.
So yes, it's a small double, but again, first impressions, it's tiny, isn't it?
Yeah.
Very, very nice. Heating, it's so warm, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's cool outside. The hotel is toasty, very, very warm. So to the side here, we have got our little dressing area. Again, usual facilities. We've got the tea, the coffee, some hot chocolates, biscuits. PJ likes a biscuit, so we've got some biscuits there. Water as well. That's always a lovely touch. Not all hotels do that, do they?
No.
So we've got a couple of bottles of water there. So when we've been on the Raz later around Lord Street, we might appreciate that. Kettle is spotless, no issues at all there. So if we want a coffee, perfect, no problem. Under the dressing area, we've got sockets. So we've got 4 in total, haven't we? We've got an extension there, yeah. So no problem at all for phone chargers, etc. Linny sat on a little chair there. Is that chair comfy, darling?
That chair is very comfortable.
A little chair there. So let's have a little set on that one. See what we think. Oh, it isn't it? Be fine out doing you need to do your hair in front of the little mirror there. We've got hairdryer, Dally.
We have.
Hairdryer. Oh, it's there. Lovely. So hairdryer hung up there. So we've got again tiny hanging rail. It's perfect, isn't it? If you're staying a night or two, there's 6 or 8 hangers on there. You've got coat hangers on behind it. Couple of stands there as well for the bags. I've got my Roy Cropper bag with us again today. With we always bring that with Lynn's hair straighteners and what have you in. Curlers. Sorry, lovey, your curlers. Nice mirror there. Again, hello everybody. How are we doing? And then there is a double bed. So very nice. We've got the shower towels. We've got the hand towels. Little reading lamps either side of the bed. I have had a look. We've got 2 plug sockets down there. So we've got 6 plug sockets in total, haven't we, darling?
Yes.
Again, they've got tissues at the side. Just little touches, isn't it?
Yes.
A little bit of artwork in here. That room we just saw, that artwork was phenomenal. Very nice here. Obviously on the blue backing there. Little drawers. These look tight. Come and get in. Yep, they're clean. Yep, absolutely perfect. No problem at all there. There's your reading lamps, one either side. And a decent sized TV. And it's nice to have the TV directly in the middle of the bed, isn't it? So if you do like to come back to the hotel, chill out, put a film on, have a lie down, and there we go, the TV. I guess that's, I don't know, is that about 34, 36 inch TV?
You ask me every time I have
no idea what they are. I think I'm just guessing. But it's a decent sized TV, a bit bigger than that one in the Wilton. Wilton was very nice, but it was a very tiny TV in that room there. So nice sized TV, remote control there. I don't know if he's got YouTube, get PJ visits on there, but yes, we'll have a look at that later. So that is the room, isn't it, darling? So again, a little pan round with a lovely Linny in the shot there. Let's have a look. Lynn says the toilet, the bathroom area or shower area is bijou. So I'm expecting it to be quite small, but let's bijou and compact. But is it clean? That's the main thing, isn't it? So they've got lights on. Okay, the toilet's all been sanitised, so that's great to see. So it has been clean. Very simple basin, but the basin is, again, it's clean. It's no issues at all with that. As I said downstairs, this is such a minor thing, and if I'm trying to find any fault at all, it's this. I'd say to the guys, oh, let's have some liquid soap. I don't like the bars of soap. Some people do. So that's only us. That's only my feelings on that. I do like to see the hand soap on the basin. But apart from that, again, another little mirror. Hello, everybody. How are we doing? Toilet's clean, Ellie. Yeah, it's got cleaner in there as well, hasn't it? So that's tidy. Little bin to there. And then the shower. Now, this is the only thing with the shower. The shower is clean. I think again it may just need a little bit of grouting, a little bit of silicone around the base, but it is very clean. It's just, I'm tall, I'm just over 6 foot. I don't think that shower really is made for someone at 6 foot, is it, darling? It's a bit on the low side, but so yeah. So I'm gonna. There's PJ with the shower. The one downstairs was better, so it's a bit of a grouch on that, but it will be fine. It's just for tonight and in the morning. I'm sure I can deal with that. And again, like we said in the Wilton, don't particularly like the curtains, but again, look at the room. It's a small room. The guys probably can't do anything but have a shower curtain. So it's got a shower curtain in there. The shower curtain is immaculate. It is like a new, it's perfect, it's pristine. No issues at all with that. It's just, again, a personal preference. It's nice to have a door, but hey, you can't here, can you? Yeah. Probably not got space to do that. So yeah, the bathroom is clean, it's tidy. It's just a bit on the small side, isn't it? But it's absolutely fine. So guys, that is where we're staying tonight. So the final thing to do, Linny, is a quick pan again and then do the bed test. See how comfy that bed is. Now you think you've tried it, have you not?
Oh, I sat on it.
Lynn's had a sneak try on this.
It was comfortable.
Towels are nice. Again, we've got the shower and hand towels. They're nice, very much like the Chadbury house. Very much like Chadbury. So let's have a try of the bed test. Okay, guys, here we go. Oh, that's nice, isn't it? Yeah. That is a. Yeah, that's good. That's a very nice mattress. Did Steve say that they changed the mattresses? Yeah. They have done an awful lot on the hotel, so new furniture and.
Yeah. Although this is one of the few rooms that is not obviously.
It's to that level. I said that downstairs.
At the moment.
The mattress is. You're going to get a good night's sleep. Yeah. And the view from the window, we are on Lord Street. We are opposite the Garnet Hotel. So there we are on Lord Street. Unfortunately, we couldn't get parking. Obviously, there is free parking if you can guess it. We've parked on, what's it called? Dixon
Road.
So we've parked on Dixon Road car park by the train station. Thank you, Dally. And that has cost us £22. And the reason it's cost us 22 is because we've done it for 48 hours. Because tomorrow we're going to go into Blackpool. If you're staying for 24 hours, it was £19. So a little bit on the expensive side. But again, if you can have a bit of a drive round, you may get free street parking. Unfortunately, this time we didn't really. No. We've been lucky in the past, haven't we?
We have.
But not this time. So guys, what we'll do, we'll take you downstairs tomorrow. The breakfast area looks lovely. Breakfast is served between 8:30 and 10:30, did Stephen say? Yeah. You don't have to book a time. I know a lot of hotels we've stayed in, you book a time. But Stephen, no, very cool, not a problem. Come down when you're ready and have the full English breakfast. So we will share that with you in the morning. But for now, we're going out on Lord Street. We're going to meet the Chatter guys and we're going to have a few G&Ts, aren't we, Dally?
We are.
So we will see you a little later. Okay, guys, take care. So, good morning, guys. So we've come down for breakfast here at the White Swallow. Very nice, very airy dining area. A lovely selection, isn't there? Yeah. Ladies just offered tea and coffee, so we've got the coffees are coming. I think we're going to go for full English. We generally always go for the full English. And then there's a nice selection of fruits, juices. Yeah, I'll take some juice, darling, please.
Orange.
Yes, orange juice. So we're going to take some juice and yeah. So we've got a nice selection of juices, cereals, milk, danishes, croissants. Such a lovely selection, isn't there? And then we've got grapefruit and all your fruits are on there. So very nice selection. So good morning, Linny. How are we feeling today?
Good morning. I'm feeling all right, actually. Quite tip-top.
It was quite. I think we had quite a lot to drink, but it was spread out again, wasn't it? So we started at about 3 o'clock, didn't we?
We did.
I think we got to bed at 11:30.
Yeah.
Half past 11ish.
Yeah, there was a couple of shots thrown in there, but
there was
a couple I couldn't have because it had Baileys on it, so I was all right then. So a bit more sensible. Stuck to the single gins as well as to the doubles. So yeah. So
that was the thing, wasn't it? We were out with the Chatter guys on a walk around the Lord Street with the Chatter guys, and a lot of the bars and hotel bars we were going to, we were getting free shots, weren't we? Yeah. So we did have a good drink, really lovely evening. So with the guys and some of the Chatter gang that turned up for the meeting. So yeah, a really lovely day, and yeah, a nice hotel to go with it, isn't it?
Yeah.
So we're going to have our start of our breakfast, and then we're going to have a full English. It is. It's a big space.
Get busy, get ready.
So full English has arrived. PJ's happy. We've got a ramekin with the beans. It's not mixed in with everything else. Simple things, eh, darling? I do like my beans and ramekin, but that looks delicious. And we're being treated to fried bread again, aren't we?
2 slices.
So we've got two. So we've got the bacon, egg, sausage, mushrooms, black puddings, tomatoes, a hash brown, beans, and that fried bread. So then we'll get the brown sauce on, and we'll get busy, won't we?
We will.
Okay, guys. So we are about to check out of room 21 at the White Swallow, aren't we? So what were our thoughts? So firstly, we arrived early. Check-in at this hotel is from 3 o'clock and check-out is 11 o'clock in the morning. However, because we were doing the Chatter Guys meet, which started at 2, we got here about 25 past 2. I thought, well, could we park the car up? So we thought if we just drop the bags in, then we can sort of bob back and put them in the room later. But no, we came in, Stephen was great, he said it's not a problem. The room was ready, so he let us have the room early, didn't he?
He did.
So that was very, very nice, we really appreciate that. So we brought our bags up. So that's where I've got to apologise. When we did the room review, or when PJ did the room review, I forgot to check the bedding. But I can assure you, the bedding was spotless, wasn't it?
It was absolutely spotless.
There was no issues at all there, so the bedding was spotless. We were just in a bit of a rush to get out and get on this meet-up, weren't we?
Yeah.
So I forgot that. And obviously, we did the other room review on room 11, so that took a bit of time. So the room itself, so we paid for this room £64. So it is a small double. It was the only room that's available when we booked, and we've now realised that Blackpool is very busy this weekend because there's a bit of a show going on, isn't there? A little thing called Strictly.
Yes.
So Strictly Come Dancing's on. So that is why we struggle, because usually we try and book a bigger room. You know, we like to go for a superior, or we're just trying to stay in the nice room to show you guys. So that's why we're in this room. So it was £64. It is a small room. It's very tidy, very clean, comfortable. Stephen was saying they are updating. They're 2/3 of the way through, and they're working their way up the hotel. So the bed was very comfy. Very tidy, everything was good about the room. The other thing is the bathroom. The bathroom it's very small, isn't it?
Yeah.
You know, the shower, I'm 6 foot, a bit of a struggle in there. There's not an awful lot of leg room where the toilet is, but the guys are aware of that. But you know, it is clean. So when you take into consideration, we had a full English breakfast, and
it was huge, actually.
It was huge, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was. There's 2 of everything, wasn't there?
And then you had Danishes, fruit juices, obviously all the cereals, fresh fruit, everything, wasn't there? It was such a good choice. So even if you said that's £12 each, and I don't think you get that for £12 anywhere. The room's 64, so £24 for our breakfast. So really, it's £40 for the room, £20 each. So I think that is exceptional value. The bed was really comfortable. So yeah, we're very happy with the stay here at the White Swallow. That room 11. I checked with Stephen this morning, the going rate on that, bear in mind this is a Saturday night as well, so £64 for a Saturday night on Strictly weekend. The room downstairs at room 11, which is like a king suite, you class it the king suite? The king suite, which you saw, was beautiful. The rate on that room was £105 for last night, but what a fantastic room that is. So all in all, it's been a pleasant stay. Again, the hosts, we've not really seen Paul, but Stephen has been lovely. Any questions we had, great, not a problem with the YouTube. So yeah, will we come back? I think we would, wouldn't we?
Yeah, we would.
If we come back though, I've said we want room 11. So we'd definitely come back, but we're staying in room 11 when we do return. So guys, thank you so much for watching. We really appreciate it. And we will see you
in the next one.
Take care, guys, and thank you very much again.
Bye, lovelies.
Bye.